So here is a quick guide on how to make an app using Emergent AI. Emergent AI allows you to build applications by simply describing exactly what you want. Click on my discount link below to try Emergent AI. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page. And after signing in, this is what your dashboard will look like. So over here, you can choose between full stack app, mobile app, or landing page. So for this, we will be using full stack app. Then you can use this attachment option to add files or images. Then we have the GitHub option. This is where you can connect your GitHub account in order to access your private repositories, or else you can use the public repository option and paste in the URL right over here. Then set the branch for your repository. After that, you can set whichever model that you want to use. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. For now, I'll be using this one. Then you can go over to this section where you can set your project to private or public. But for private, you need to get a paid subscription. After that, on Advanced Controls, you will get to see all of these options that you can set. So go through them and set them up according to your preference. You can set the MCP servers to use from these options. Then you can select the template from here. After that, set your budget and also choose your model. Once done, you can put in your prompt right over here just like this. Then just click the Run button and it will start processing your request. And as you can see, we're now brought to the chat interface. This is where you'll get to see all the updates about your project. And once it's ready, you'll be able to view your finished app on the right side on the preview section. If it's not visible, you can click on this refresh button and it will load up your preview. And as you can see, our preview is now visible. You can scroll through the page and check it out. You can also interact with the different buttons, and as you can see, it is fully functional. You can put in some random credentials in order to sign in. This is just to test it out. This way, you can also make any changes that you want to your project just by describing exactly what you want on the left side chat box, and it will start making your desired changes. You can use the same process to create any kind of app that you want. And that's it. That is exactly how to make an app using Emergent AI.